How to get $100 Domino's Pizza promo code. Open a browser that you prefer on your PC or mobile device. Search for coupon follow. Tap on the first suggestion provided to you. In here, you will find various brands dealing with promo codes and offer. To search for Domino's Pizza, tap on the search icon and search for Domino's Pizza. Tap on the first suggestion. You will find various promo codes that you can use. To never miss out of coupons or offers, in this email dialog box, you simply have to enter your email address and tap on Get Alert. Once you tap on it, you will never miss out any of the offer from Domino's Pizza again. Tap on a promo code that you find interesting or tap on See Details to view more. Tap on Copy. To use it, for instance, tap on Redeem at Domino's Pizza. Once you tap on it, you will be redirected to the official homepage of Domino's Pizza. Now all you have to do is sign up or sign in to your Domino's account. Then purchase food items that you want to devour. While checking out, enter the promo code that you just copied, or chances are it is already applied. So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.